Hey everyone, it's that time of the year where we want to be little monsters. So today, join us for Let's Draw Some Monsters. So getting started, get out a piece of paper and get your pencil. And I always say write your name so you know it's your artwork. And then getting started, so the first little guy, if you start with any of these and you want to stop and pause, remember you can always stop and pause the art and then go back. So I'm going to make a big smiley face, and then I'm going to connect it kind of like a banana shape. Now I'm going to do kind of that same thing upside down below and make some kind of upside down smiley face and then make the bottom of the shoes. Now, as I'm adding some things, I might have to change from my original a little bit. So this guy, I'm just going to add in some legs. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to add in some eyes. So 2 eyes, kind of close together, but that's okay. And I'm going to give some funny eyebrows above. Then I'm going to make the top part of the head by just connecting with 2 shapes. Now you can add teeth how you want. I'm going to add square teeth this time because I think it's kind of cute. And in some arms that are just going to kind of be tucked behind. And of course, some eyeballs. Now, if you want some kind of ears, you could make ears. I think I'm just going to make some antennas coming off. So there's one. Now, I can make several monsters on this paper. One of my monsters is going to be more like a big hairball. So I'm going to make it shaggy. So shaggy is kind of making it back and forth like this. And when I get to the top, I could shag up a couple pieces to make the hair more shaggy and fluffy. And then again, I might put some legs down. And I'm going to put some kind of like duck-like feet or webbed feet, kind of. Ran into my name, but that's okay. This one I think I'm going to make like curved lines on the leg, a little bit different, just give it a little more style. Now, face-wise, could draw a smiley face, could make it a silly face, and could add a tongue. So for hands, I'm just going to go back and kind of make some of those webbed hands again. And again, make some eyes. My eyes could have some eyebrows if I want again. So these are a couple of monsters that you could draw. Now I have one more that I'm going to use for sure that's going to be floating. This is going to be like a blob. So I'm going to start in the corner and I'm going to make kind of like a big upside down U. And then the bottom is going to be wavy to the other side. I can add some circles to just kind of give him some texture. And I'm going to give him a smiley face with some teeth. And then I'm also going to give him some eyebrows, but I want him to kind of look kind of silly. So I'm going to make his eyeballs go in different directions this time. And I'm going to put his eyebrows on the side. Now I've got one more monster I want to share. If I take my monster and I make a big circle or oval. In my shape, I'm going to make 3 eyes, and I'm going to do 3 because that gives me a way to center one eye and make some 2 that overlap. So this one and this one are going to go a little bit where they are underneath the front one that's overlapping it. Then again, I could put in that eyeball, and I'm going to do kind of 3 silly eyeballs. Now, on mine, I'm going to make a big smiley face, and then I'm going to come back around and make the bottom part of my smiley face. And I can add some teeth in. I can add some feet, and I'm going to make my heels go down. Now when I go around, I'm going to make 1 toe, right? 1 toe, and then I'm going to tuck the other toes kind of behind so that when it comes back, his feet are going to kind of come back. A little off, but it's okay. Now I'm going to add in some funny hands. So I go up, blobby hands. I'm going to have this one come down and blobby hands. And then I'm going to just kind of finish off with some horns. You can always add other details back in if you'd like. Now, I always say if you want a few other details like scales or some dots, you can draw them out like that. Now, this is a great monster collection. Choose a monster and draw one out today. The nice thing is if you make it on a paper you fold in half, you can make somebody a holiday card just to wish them a happy day. You can add other details in the background like funny doors. Okay. Or you could add in windows and stuff like that. Since this is your picture, you get to make your heart's desires. So there's a good start of how to make a monster drawing. I hope you enjoy this. I'm going to time lapse the rest of this so that you guys can see how to add some other details and fun stuff.